DJ. And you all know why. Problem child.
We've been told it's a common issue, maybe.
So today I'm gonna take a voltmeter, see if I can find the draw that plagues this car. If not, remove radiator cap, replace car, reinstall radiator cap. If problem persists, burn car down. But let's see what happens. Alright guys, so we're gonna start with these little bit of fuses in here, see if he's got any type of draw. Car's off, doors are open, latches are locked. But, you know, you never know. Hoping it's under here and not in the fuse box under the dash. Alright, so we tested all the fuses under the hood and it looks like we going in the glove box. Alright guys, welcome back. Got some good news. My main stud showed up. So I get to take my engine block to the machine shop today. I'll go see Edward. Have him bore 20 over, line on it and deck it, and we'll get this process going. And I got my rod bearings too, so this could be a productive week, month, whatever it takes. It is what it is, but I should be up and running pretty soon if everything works out. Another thing I have to do is I gotta go down and drop off some headlights because, you know, one of the guys we know got into an accident, or should I say car got backed into in a parking lot in no man's land where he's from, and he needs some headlights. So there we go. I got too many spare parts. I hate that. I need working parts, not spare parts. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm all loaded up, ready to go to the machine shop. I got some other things to do today, but we get it dropped off and get going. Alright guys, I dropped the block off at the machine shop, so now I just wait and we get it put together. So now I'm gonna just clean up some things, get the area prepped so that way I can throw everything in it, get it going, and hopefully within a month or so have this thing back up and running, depending on other parts that have to be ordered and stuff like that, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But yeah, the ball is moving. It's finally moving. So that's gonna wrap it up for today. Just making some space so I can get ready. Once again, hopefully it won't be long, maybe a month, 2 months. I'm hoping not, but you know, that's waiting on parts and everything. So I'm hoping I can get this together soon so I can get y'all some content of me driving it, possibly racing it, and having fun. But again, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, let everybody know about the content if you think it's worthy. But you guys have a good day.